Welcome to the introduction of DataOps. DataOps is about applying DevOps principles to data analytics and big data operations. This enables you to gain faster and more reliable insights from your data. DataOps brings together two important concepts: DevOps principles and big data operations. DevOps principles focus on automation, collaboration, continuous integration, and delivery to improve the software lifecycle. Big data operations involves managing large-scale data pipelines, storage, and processing efficiently at scale. So, what exactly is DataOps? DataOps applies Agile and DevOps methodologies to data analytics. The goal is to enable fast and reliable data delivery, so you can gain insights more quickly and efficiently. The core goals of DataOps are to accelerate data analytics delivery, ensure data quality and reliability, and improve collaboration across teams. By achieving these goals, you can enjoy key benefits such as reduced cycle times, higher data trustworthiness, and scalable automated workflows. Here is an example of DataOps pipeline using Python. First, define a function called runPipeline. Data is passed to the function. Clean the data using the clean function. After cleaning, the data is validated using the validate function. After validation, the data is analyzed using the analyze function. The results are then returned. Load the data from the input CSV file. The loaded data is passed to the runPipeline function. The returned output is stored in the output variable. The output is saved to the output.json file. To successfully implement DataOps, it's important to follow some best practices. Automate testing and validation processes. Implement continuous integration and delivery. Monitor and measure data quality. Foster cross-team collaboration. For the technology stack, consider using cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Use orchestration tools like Airflow and Kubernetes. Employ data quality tools like Great Expectations. Implement CI/CD tools like Jenkins and GitHub Actions. DataOps integrates continuous integration, testing, and deployment with data engineering and analytics workflows. In mathematical terms, DataOps equals continuous integration/continuous delivery, plus data quality plus collaboration. It's time to start your DataOps journey. Transform your data operations with automation, collaboration, and continuous delivery for reliable and fast analytics. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.